Yo, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, basically what I'm going over in today's topic is we're going to be going over some sneakers that are going up in price and some ones that are going down in price. Basically, what are some good bets for back to school, some shoes you could make some money on, or some shoes you could buy now that'll probably be more expensive towards the end of the month, right? So we'll kind of mention all those different types of options in this video. Also, here's a quick photo of my cat, as y'all can see, sitting right by me watching what we're doing right now, being a good little monitor here. We love Luna, but yeah, aside from that, basically today in this video we're going to break that down, that topic, and just get into some good pairs that are probably good buys right now. So I hope you guys will enjoy, and we'll maybe mention a couple ones that will probably be going down in price too. So if you're looking to save some money, I'll try and mention a couple ones that'll be getting cheaper over the next month or so. So if you guys want more content like this, then go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. So if you guys want more content like this, just drop a like, let me know in the comments what types of videos you guys want to see, and then again, check out my Instagram page down below. I got everything linked there. Well, not everything, but you know, you can enter my giveaway for the blue tile SBs that ends like in a day or two, so make sure you guys enter that, tag your friends, like the post, and let me know why you want to win the free blue tile SB dunk glow. And also don't forget my TikTok streetwear auctions down below. You ever want to come cop some streetwear off us, check it out down below. Feel free to come cop some tees. We got Supreme boxers, tons of Supreme socks this week, so if you need anything simple like that to match with the kicks, we got it here this week. So come shop with us. We'll be live plenty of times this week. And yeah, that's really all I gotta say. I hope you guys will enjoy, and let's get started. Again, everything I mentioned in that pinned comment down below. Alright, so I'm actually getting that screen recording up right now, so that should be on the screen for you guys. And basically, we're actually going to start the video with a sneaker that I think is going to get cheaper. Because keep in mind, I was mentioning videos, or not videos, but shoes in this video, right, that are going to be more expensive in a month or so, and then ones will be less expensive. One that I think is going to be a little bit cheaper in a month or so is going to be the Jordan 8 Chrome right here. The reason I'm saying that is because, well, the release is upcoming. They've actually moved up the drop for this shoe. It's no longer going to be on September 12th. It is now on August 29th. So that's definitely something to think about. They've moved up this release like 2 weeks. I think the full reason for that is because of back to school. So Nike definitely is trying to add more releases to August. You can kind of tell they've been doing that over the last couple days. They've been loading up more heat. They've been letting us know about more drops coming in August, and then they've even moved up a couple drops like this. So in my opinion, just because this is actually dropping a couple weeks earlier, I think we're going to start seeing prices drop a lot more over the next week or so, couple weeks. I'm still doing an on-feet review for these, so if you guys want that, just stay tuned here on the channel. We'll have that posted in the next week or so we'll get a little early review for these going. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 8 Chrome, man. Very nice pair, but I do think prices are going to get cheaper over the next month or so, considering that they haven't dropped yet, and there's a lot of them out there right now. And, well, the release is still, again, over a month away, so yeah, these are going to get cheaper. I 100% can bet on that. Now, next up, I'm actually going to mention these, the grade school sizes of the University 5s. Look at what these are doing right now in some sizes. These have gone absolutely crazy, and I think they're going to probably stay at these prices. So if you're looking for a shoe that's expensive right now, and it's probably going to just get harder to find the UNC 5s in grade school sizes. We've seen grade school pairs at $325, $350. It's possible for them to hit there. I just want to let you guys know. Realistically, will we see those prices? Maybe. I mean, we are just starting to now approach kind of that back to school season. Like, it hasn't even really picked up yet. So I still think these have more to go up in price. So just wanted to mention these as a good option, in my opinion, as one that can get more expensive. The UNC Jordan 5s in grade school sizes, even though they're expensive right now, I still think there's more potential for expensive flip on these down the line, considering that people are willing to pay up on kicks like this for their kids to wear something nice back to school, you know? Now, next up, I'm going to mention these real briefly. I think these could maybe make a little bit of progress this month just because they've gotten so cheap. Now, cheap is a reference point on this sneaker. Keep in mind, we're still talking $500, right? So not necessarily cheap. We're still talking about $500, $600 shoe. But you can see the current prices are between a range of about $470 to $550. I easily think these can get to a range of probably about $550 to $600 or $600, $650, maybe towards the end of August, mid-September. I think it's very realistic that we see these head back up in price again. The reason that is because, again, look at what these previously were in price. Just check this out. They've really stopped dropping in price like that over the last couple weeks. You see, they still are a little bit, but it's slowed down significantly, right? Compared to when it was here. Look how much it was dropping here, right? But then look here now, barely dropping in price. So these are kind of started to hit their low, you know what I mean? They're not really, they're still selling in high volume, but again, they're starting to sell at lower prices. That kind of bottom is hitting a bit more. And I think we can at least get back to here. I mean, realistically, this sneaker could at least get back to like this range right around here, in that kind of $800 to $1,000 range. I think that's possible. $1,100 I think is pushing it, but I think these could easily get back up to $800, no problem. Maybe not this year, but next year I could definitely see that. Although the Travis Scott low hype has definitely dwindled down, there's no doubt about that, right? I think that it's definitely evident that these types of sneakers are still popular and people are still willing to pay up on them, right? Like, you still see a really high sale on these every once in a while for an express ship sale or something like that on occasion, right? And yeah, there isn't a million pairs of these out there, so prices are eventually going to have to meet the demand, you know what I mean? Because there's still a couple hundred selling every 3 days. Eventually, there's not going to be a couple hundred pairs, you know, just out there brand new every few days, right? So understanding that, the market's eventually going to go up in price. So in my opinion, this is a great long-term bet. I think they're starting to hit their bottom. If you can get them around 450, 500, or 500 flat, you're looking at some real good money down the line, in my opinion, if you can wait a couple years. Or maybe even just a year. I could see these back at 650, 700 realistically. Now next up, I'm gonna mention these as a good back to school option. The white cement 4s. I think people are starting to look at these again a little bit more. A pair that dropped last year. Keep in mind this is a 2025 release, so there's not as many of them out there anymore. I don't see these really floating around out there like that. And you guys can see some of the prices have actually started to make progress. You guys can see some of these have gone above 250. We're now at a range of about $240 to $270 on the sneaker, with the smaller sizes going for more, right? Like a 9, 9.5, 10. Just because those ones are a little bit more demand on Jordan 4s, you tend to see those sizes, you know, go for a bit more, or size 12 on occasion will be the most valuable size. You can see here size 12 is not the most valuable, but still a great size to go for considering that it's cheap right now. And again, I think this is a safe bet for this year. I could see these again being popular holiday season of this year, being popular for back to school this year, you know what I mean? So I see some progress happening around those times, at least 10, 20 bucks each time that, you know, those seasons pass. So we could at least see these maybe at 280, 300 later this year in most sizes. I comfortably could see that happening considering how nice of a sneaker this is for back to school, for Christmas. It makes for a great gift, and it's super wearable and comfortable too. That's another factor. Also, we mentioned these yesterday, but they're starting to drop Yeezy YSL1 slides again in August. So I feel like some of those colorways again could start to have some pretty good sales volume, considering that JD Sports is going to be pushing those releases in store and online, and people are going to see those. They're going to recognize the model in store or online, and they're going to want to buy it. I actually see some hype returning to the YSL1 for a little bit, or for Yeezys for a couple months of this year, right? For maybe back to school, then again, Christmas time of this year, I could see them doing really, really well, because again, they still sell super often. Like, check out the sales volume just so you can see what I'm talking about, right? Like, all of them sell very, very often here. Where's like the most popular colorway? This one does very, very, yeah, look at that, like 1,300 sales in 3 days. Like, these are going to do some numbers once some more of them start dropping, once they get a bit harder to find, because this sales volume is going to continue. There's always like 1,000 of these selling every 3 days. So understanding that, this is going to be a very safe bet, and is 100% going to make some progress, in my opinion. Someone made some crazy money on this sneaker. I'm just letting y'all know. I saw someone buy, I think it was like 80,000 or 100,000 pairs of these earlier this year. They paid around, I think it was like 25 or 30 per on them. Now look at the numbers they're doing. Check this out. I mean, that guy made maybe, I can't estimate it fully, but a couple 100,000 at least. At least. I'm just letting y'all know. So there's some big players in this game. Whoever bought those 100K pairs of slides, you're a genius, brother. And I wish I could have done that, because I would have done that move too. But I'm not, you know, I'm not balling like that. Shit, man. Hey, I was random note to mention, but yeah, what a play. And there's still more progress for him to be made. So that, yeah. Crazy. Now next up, I'm going to briefly mention the Myro Air Jordan 7, because as you guys can see, the small sizes, not all of them have quite followed up in price yet, right? But if you go to 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5, 12, this sneaker is starting to get to $400. Like, this sneaker retailed for $255. They were going for like $220, $250 before the release, and then after the drop, everyone figured out they were super limited, and then prices spiked up. I have a pair of these in my collection, and like a 9.5, you can see 9.5 is like still fairly affordable. So if you want to go get that, you still get it very much under retail. So definitely think about that, because I was able to do that before the drop, and I was pretty happy about that. So I definitely want to let you guys know that I think this sneaker is going to eventually go up in price in the small sizes, that 9.5, that 10, that 9, 8.5, 8. We're going to see those sizes eventually cross that $300 point. All the big sizes have done it. And you know, once the big sizes do it, the small sizes eventually follow. It just takes a bit longer because they're not in as much demand, and they do make more of the smaller sizes. So again, once they just become harder to find, they're going to make the same progress as the big sizes, just a little bit slower and more drawn out over time, if that makes sense. Look how cheap some sizes of these have gone to. The Virgil Abloh Archive Alaska, like $400, $500. Again, they're not making Virgil stuff much anymore. Like, long term, I know this is going to be very valuable, so I think that's a good bet right there as well. But honestly, if I want to give y'all an honest opinion, what's a sneaker that you guys could save some money on right now that you don't have to worry about really buying right now? I would say like these, the Love Letter ones, the True Blue 3s. What's another one I could mention? I would say most Nike Mind stuff. You don't have to be concerned about buying a lot of Nike Mind stuff right now, considering that they're just restocking it a lot right now. And they're making a lot of new colorways. So you can just wait a couple months and you'll actually probably get a better deal. Usually, if they do end up doing your colorway again, it's not always the case. So that's something I would also say potential there, because we're heading into winter too, you know, or fall season. So those types of things and slides won't be doing as well, but Christmas time they'll pick back up 100%. And yeah, I'm gonna end this screen recording right there, guys. And there's a few sorry, not mentions, but I guess a few sneakers I can mention in this video today in terms of ones that'll go up in price this back to school season or Christmas, and then ones that'll probably you can just wait on, you know what I mean? You don't have to be as concerned in terms of them spiking up in price or, you know, making super quick progress right now. Of course, like the True Blues will go up in price eventually. They're just too cheap right now, but for the next couple months, you really don't got to worry about it. Like that release just happened, and there's still so many pairs out there that you can get for a pretty cheap price. So yeah, that's definitely something I would think about. There's even some still sitting at retailers, you know what I mean? So when they're sitting at retailers, you got time for it, you know? So yeah, that's it, guys. Again, if y'all want more content like this down below, feel free to subscribe and like. Let me know what you guys think about this video. The normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. If you have any content you want to see on the channel, just drop your ideas down below. If there's something you've seen in the sneaker game, something you want me to talk about, just leave it in the comments, and I will definitely make a video on it. If it's something that your boy's interested in 100%, just drop it there, and yeah, we'll do it. And is there anything else that I'm forgetting? I always do this. Just the TikTok lives. Check it out down below. And my Instagram page. That giveaway literally ends in a day or two for the blue tile SBs. So tag your 2 friends, like the post, drop your boy a follow, and let me know why you want to win the pair. And yeah, if you want to cop some streetwear off us, check it out on TikTok down below. I've been grinding there this week. Got a live today, and what else? We'll probably have one either Thursday night or Friday, but we're at least going to be live 4 times this week. That's the goal. So really grinding heavy this week, and next week too, so stay tuned. We got a lot on the way for you guys, man, so I hope you guys will enjoy. And yeah, that's it, guys. I'm T. Thank you all. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in that next video tomorrow. And if you guys have any questions down below, just let me know there, all right? And I hope... Sorry, cannot speak. There's Luna. All right, there's my cat. I'll catch you tomorrow in the next one. All right, peace out, squad.